In this video, we take a look at the basics of the MIGO transaction in the SAP system. MIGO is the central transaction for processing goods movements in the SAP Materials Management Module, or MM for short. It combines numerous processes in a standardized interface, including goods receipts, goods issues, stock transfers, and cancellations. MIGO therefore plays a decisive role in daily warehouse and inventory management. Previously, these processes were handled via various transactions in the MB series, for example, MB01 for goods receipts or MB1A for goods issues. With the introduction of MIGO, these functions have been brought together in a clear, modern interface, which simplifies operation and reduces sources of error. The transaction thus covers all material movements in the SAP system and ensures that these are posted correctly and traceably. After starting the MIGO transaction, the main screen opens. The action field is located in the upper area. The type of posting is defined here, for example, goods receipt, when an order physically arrives at the warehouse. Next, the reference field is filled in. This determines the basis on which the posting is to be made. For a goods receipt, a purchase order number is typically entered. By pressing the Enter key, the system automatically loads the associated data from the purchase order and displays it in the lower area of the screen. Let's take a closer look at this using an example. Sample Ltd. receives a delivery of 2 laptops that were previously ordered from the supplier Leno GmbH. A goods receipt is now posted in MIGO in the SAP system. Goods receipt is entered as the action and the order number as the reference. The material data then appears in the item overview, such as the material number, the description, the unit of measure, and the storage location in which the laptops are to be stored. Before the posting is completed, the document item table can be checked to ensure that all details are correct. If necessary, quantities can be changed, storage locations adjusted, or batch information added. A final check is carried out in the document check area. The system points out any discrepancies or missing information. These must be corrected before posting. As soon as everything is correct, click on Post. The system reports the successful completion and generates a document number that can be used for later tracing or analysis. In addition to posting new transactions, MIGO also allows you to display or cancel existing vouchers. To do this, select either Display or Cancellation in the Action field at the top, then enter the corresponding voucher number and confirm with Enter. The system then displays the existing postings, which can be checked or reversed as required. When reversing, SAP automatically adjusts the stocks and documents the process completely in the system. Thanks to these functionalities, the MIGO transaction ensures that all goods movements are recorded transparently and traceably in the system. Correct posting via this transaction is essential to ensure reliable stock levels, which form the basis for further processes such as production planning, financial accounting, or scheduling.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.